Welcome to eLearn with Vijayagiri. This is Algebra Part 6, and in this we are going to continue with the laws of indices. In previous part, we discussed about multiplication law, division law, and the law of power 0. And the next law is, when you have to raise a power to another power, you multiply the indices. X to the power m whole to the power n equal x to the power mn. Let's check this. X square whole cube. We know that it can be written as x square into x square into x square, and by using the multiplication law of indices, we can write it as x to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2, and it will be equal to x to the power 6. Now let's check with this law. X to the power m whole to the power n equal x to the power m into n. So x to the power 2 whole to the power 3 can be written as x to the power 2 into 3, and it will be equal to x to the power 6. Here both way we got the same answer, so the laws of indices will make the simplification easier. Let's check some examples. Y to the power 5 whole to the power 6. Here we can use this law, so it can be written as y to the power 5 into 6, and it will be equal to y to the power 30. Next example. 3y cube whole to the power 2. Here number and index expressions are coming together, so the power which is there outside we have to give to both. So it can be expanded as 3 square into y cube whole square. And 3 square is 9, and y cube whole square we can write as y to the power 3 into 2. And it will be equal to 9 into y to the power 6. 3 into 2 is 6. It can be written as 9y to the power 6. Let's check another example. 2x square y cube whole to the power 3. Here also we have to expand separately. So giving the power separately to all the terms, 2 to the power 3 into x square whole to the power 3 into y cube whole to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 will be equal to 8 into x square whole to the power 3 we can write as x to the power 2 into 3, and y cube whole to the power 3 we can write as y to the power 3 into 3. And it can be simplified as 8 into x to the power 6 into y to the power 9. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. And the answer will be 8 x to the power 6 y to the power 9. Next example. X square whole cube into x cube whole to the power 5. Here both laws are coming, the multiplication law of indices as well as the law of raising a power. So first raise the power. X square whole to the power 3 can be written as x to the power 2 into 3 into x cube whole to the power 5 can be written as x to the power 3 into 5. It can be simplified as x to the power 6 into x to the power 15. Now we have to use the multiplication law, x to the power m into x to the power n equal x to the power m plus n. So it can be written as x to the power 6 plus 15, and the answer will be x to the power 21. Next example, 2x square whole to the power 4 into 3x cube whole to the power 4. Here also same way we have to continue. 2x square whole to the power 4, there is a number and index expression. So we have to expand it separately by giving the power separately. 2 to the power 4 into x square whole to the power 4. Same way the second part of the question. 3 to the power 4 into x cube whole to the power 4. Now 2 to the power 4 is 16, and x square whole to the power 4 can be written as x to the power 2 into 4, it will be x to the power 8, and 3 to the power 4 is 81 into x to the power 12. Now numbers we have to write together, 16 into 81, then index expressions, x to the power 8 into x to the power 12. 16 into 81 is 1296, and x to the power 8 into x to the power 12 can be written as x to the power 8 plus 12, and it can be simplified as 1296 x to the power 20. Another example, 3x to the power 4y square whole square by 2x square y whole cube. Here division as well as the law of raising a power is coming. So first we have to expand it. While expanding, you have to take care one thing. In the question, in denominator, there is no power for y, so we have to give the power 1. Now 3 to the power 2 will be 9. X to the power 4 whole to the power 2 can be written as x to the power 8. Y square whole square can be written as y to the power 4 by 2 cube is 8. X square whole cube can be written as x to the power 6. And y to the power 1 whole to the power 3 can be written as y cube. Now here we have to use the law of division. X to the power 8 divided by x to the power 6 can be written as x to the power 8 minus 6, and y to the power 4 by y to the power 3 can be written as y to the power 4 minus 3. The numbers 9 and 8, there is no common factor, so write as it is. And it can be simplified as 9 into x square into y to the power 1 by 8. And the answer will be 9x square y by 8. Hope you understood this part. That's all for now. We'll be continuing in the next video. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for getting notifications.